Those are all arpeggios rooted off of G, and I'm using a combination of my Fishman Triple play, which is triggering the notes that I'm playing down here, along with Guitar Pro 8, and I'm using Interval Matrix Pro, my app that I have that is out on the Apple Store, and we need testers actually on Google Play, so if you would like this app for free, I need about 10 more testers, so just send an email to intervalmatrixpro@gmail.com, and right now it's February 22nd of 2026, so but you'll get that for free for life if you become one of our testers, and then it'll be out on the Google Store, but there is a 3-day free trial for it. But anyway, and plus there's the video of me right here, so I'm trying to utilize every possible way for you to see and hear and experience learning new things. I want to have a system where it's just easy for anybody to understand no matter what your learning currency is. So we're going to work with some sweep arpeggios off of G. When we sweep, it's like a slow motion strum. We want to... Now notice right here, I have 3 to 7. It's a hammer-on. If you're doing more than one note on the same string when you're sweeping, you have to do a hammer-on or a pull-off, or in this case, a hammer-on pull-off. But watch my pick when I do this. I'm going to go... Now when I do that, I'm trapping that pick. I'm doing that hammer-on pull-off, and I'm waiting with an upward angle here. Okay, so that's the first one. That's the G major. Now, what I did was I went right here. I went from the root note to the third to the fifth, root, third, fifth, root, and third. Okay, now the next one is the G minor. So I'm going to go over here to my chords, and let's go from major directly down to the minor. And right there, I have the root, flat 3, 5, root, flat 3, 5. And again, we have this right here. Now, the next one, so instead of doing a diminished triad with this one, I wanted to show off that diminished 7 chord, because this is a really cool arpeggio. It's symmetrical, so let me find this here. Oh, that'll be in the 7th chords. And we're going to go to diminished 7. Yes, there it is right there. Now notice there's a 2-fret gap with these. See how it's symmetrical. I love stuff like this. You know, you can find these different shapes. So anyway, it's going to go like this. So that one's really cool. I love that one. And then we're going to go back to the G major. So I need to go back to my chords, to my triads. And let's see here, back to G major. All right, now this time we're going to look at the 5th string root, because this note is a G, but we're going to go this way in motion. Now notice these interval colors always stay the same. I love that. I did that for a reason, because I want you to get used to seeing the different intervals in colors. It's called mind mapping. So here we're going to go root, 3rd, 5th, root, 3rd, 5th, okay? Right here, 10th fret, 9, 7, 8, 7, 10, 7, 8, 7, 9, 10. So we have... Now if I wanted to, I could also play this 5th up here in this root here. So I could extend this. Okay, so then the next one we're going to do is going to be the G minor. So we have root, flat 3rd, 5th, root, flat 3rd, and 5th. And 10th fret, 8th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret, 6, 10, 6, 8, 7, 8, 10. So it's going to go... And again, I'm just kind of dragging that pick straight through there. The next one we have, we're going to do a G diminished triad. So this one, we have our root, our flat 3. Now we're going to have a flat 5, and then a root, a flat 3, and a flat 5. So right here, we have 10, 8, 6, 8, 6, 9, 6, and then 8, 6, 8, 10. So it's going to go. those are the three C-shaped chords, meaning so the root note's going this way. All right. Now we're going to go back to the major, so the G major here. And this time I'm going to go root, third, fifth, root, third, fifth, root. Okay. And then over here I have 10th fret, 14, 12, 12, 12. That's an A shape. And then 10, 15, 10. And that's the G major. Now we're going to do the G minor. So I, again, go back over here. I go to minor, and I have my root note, my flat 3, 5, root, flat 3, 5, and my root. So 10th fret, 13, 12, 12, 11, 10, 15, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 10. So we have... Okay, then the last one out of this series is going to be the G diminished triad, root note, flat 3, flat 5, root, flat 3, flat 5, root. So we're going to go 10th fret, 13, 11, 12, 11, 9, 15, 9, and then 11, 12, 11, 13, 10. Now, I want to show you how we can kind of combine two different shapes here. So let's go back to the major. So I'm going to go right here. G major. I'm going to go root, third, fifth, root, third, fifth, root, fifth, third, root, fifth, third, root. So this is a 2-octave arpeggio. I got kind of a bunk pinky these days, so I still struggle with that a bit. But you know what? I still play, and it makes me a little bit sloppy, but oh well. You know, at least I'm still playing the guitar and doing what I love doing. So that was the 2-octave G major arpeggio. So anyway, that's how we can find some basic arpeggios using Interval Matrix Pro, and then we have Guitar Pro 8. And then I'm using my Fishman Triple play. Look, I go into a lot of in-depth training on our school, and right now we have a founder special. It is only $49 a month to join, and you will lock in that rate forever, or it's $500 for the entire year. And again, you'll lock in that rate forever if you sign up now, but it's a limited time offer, and we are going live, actually doing guitar lessons, and most lessons these days are 70 to 100, sometimes $150 an hour, you know, and we're doing $49 for the entire month or $500 for the entire year. And you get both me and Sid Wolf. Both of us were students of Shawn Lane, and you get us live on at least a couple times a week basis. And we have courses and master classes on a curriculum that Shawn Lane helped both of us write over, and we've been working on it for over 30 years. Folks, that's a little over $1 a day, and you know, $49 per month. You cannot beat that, and we need you to sign up. It's skool.com/Shawn Lane, and then check out my app. It's Interval Matrix Pro on the App Store, and there's going to be a link in the description. Please like and subscribe. bestguitarchannel.com. I've got all my links up on there as well. And then if you want it for free on the Android right now, I just need a few more testers. Yeah. Interval Matrix Pro at gmail.com, and we will get it to you. And anyway, I really do appreciate all you guys, and thank you so much, and y'all take care.